In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get a business email address with Gmail. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Google account sign-up page. This is the official page where you create a new Google account, and it is also where you can set things up for business use. Once the page loads, look for the option that lets you choose the type of account. Select the option for business, so your account is aligned with professional use from the start. Next, you will be asked for your first and last name. Enter the name you want associated with this business email identity, then click Next. After that, Google will ask for your birthday and gender. Fill those in carefully and click Next again. This information helps with account security and age requirements, and it can also make account recovery easier later. Now you will reach the part where Google suggests creating a new Gmail address. Since the goal here is to get a business email address with Gmail while using an email you already have, look below the Gmail address field and click the option that says you can use your existing email instead. This is important because it allows you to link a non-Gmail address to a Google account. After selecting that option, enter your current non-Gmail email address in the field provided. Make sure you type it correctly because Google will send a verification message to that address. When you are ready, click Next. You will then be prompted to create a password for your new Google account. Choose a strong password that you will remember and avoid anything too simple. After entering and confirming it, continue to the next screen. At this point, check your existing email inbox for the verification message from Google. Open it, find the verification code, and enter that code on the sign-up page. This step confirms that you control the email address you entered. Finally, click Next and follow the remaining prompts to finish setting up the account. Take your time as you review any final options and confirm the details before completing the process. And that is all there is to it.